નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, મેથ્સ એન્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે ધોરણ 7 અંગ્રેજી વિષયની અસાઇનમેન્ટ સોલ્યુશનમાં રીડ ધ પેરેગ્રાફ એન્ડ આન્સર ધી ક્વેશ્ચનનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. જેમાં યુનિટ 3 ટુડે કમ્સ એવરી ડે પેરેગ્રાફ 1 સૌપ્રથમ પેરેગ્રાફ રીડ કરીશું. Does Shankar go to bed? No, dear friends, he does not sleep. He sits in his special chair. He pulls out a wire from his stomach and puts it in a socket. He starts charging himself. હવે આપણે પેરેગ્રાફ પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 1. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. Does Shankar sleep? Answer: No, Shankar does not sleep. Question 2. Shankar blinks at night. Option A, sleeps. Option B, sits. Option C, charges himself. Option D, rests himself. Answer: Option C, charges himself. પેરેગ્રાફ 2નું વાંચન કરીશ. Shiv gets up early in the morning. He practices yoga for an hour. Shankar does not practice yoga. He makes tea and breakfast for Shiv. Shankar does not take tea, coffee or breakfast. પેરેગ્રાફ 2 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 2. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. What does Shiv do in the morning? Answer: Shiv practices yoga in the morning. Question 2. What does Shankar do? Answer: Shankar makes tea and breakfast. Question 3. Shiv practices yoga for blanks. Option A, 20 minutes. Option B, 30 minutes. Option C, 40 minutes. Option D, 60 minutes. Answer: Option D, 60 minutes. પેરેગ્રાફ 3 રીડ કરીશું. Mr. Shiv Vasavda is a scientist. He has a very dear friend named Shankar. They live and work together. Look at their photographs. The man with a moustache is Shiv Vasavda. Yes, Shiv has a moustache and Shankar has not. હવે પેરેગ્રાફ 3 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 3. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. What is Shiv Vasavda? Answer: Shiv Vasavda is a scientist. Question 2. Who has a moustache? Answer: Shiv Vasavda has a moustache. Question 3. Mr. Shiv Vasavda is blank. Option A, a doctor. Option B, a scientist. Option C, an engineer. Option D, a teacher. Answer: Option B, a scientist. ત્યારબાદ પેરેગ્રાફ 4 રીડ કરીશું. Shiv goes to bed around 11 o'clock. He says to Shankar, set the temperature of the room at 24 on Celsius. Set it 2 ons higher at 3 a.m. and woke me up at 5:30 in the morning. હવે પેરેગ્રાફ 4 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 4 ક્વેશ્ચન 1 When does Shiv go to bed? Answer Shiv goes to bed around 11 o'clock. Question 2 When does Shiv get up? Option A 5 a.m. Option B 5:30 a.m. Option C 5 p.m. Option D 5:30 p.m. Answer Option B 5:30 a.m. યુનિટ 3ના સોલ્યુશન બાદ હવે યુનિટ 4 ક્યુ ઓફ યસનો 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 પેરેગ્રાફ 1 રીડ કરીશું આપણે. નવરાત્રિ ઇઝ અ મેજર ફેસ્ટિવલ ઓફ ગુજરાત. નવરાત્રિ means 9 nights. Yes, it is a festival of 9 nights. Everyone joins in Garba. It is the folk dance of Gujarat. It continues almost throughout the night. It is a very youthful dance. Young men and women, tiny tots and elderly people all join in Garba. હવે પેરેગ્રાફ 1 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. ક્વેશ્ચન 1 Which is a major festival of Gujarat? Answer A major festival of Gujarat is Navratri. Question 2 Which is the folk dance of Gujarat? Answer The folk dance of Gujarat is Garba. Question 3 Who join in the Garba? Answer Young men and women, tiny tots and elderly people join in the Garba. Question 4 Garba is a blank dance. A. Elderly, B. Slow, C. Youthful, D. Lazy. Answer C. Youthful. Question 5 Navratri means blanks. Option A 9 nights. Option B 10 nights. Option C 8 nights. Option D new moon nights. Answer Option A 9 nights. પેરેગ્રાફ 2નું વાંચન કરીશું. Women and men dress up in their traditional Gujarati attire. Women wear chaniya choli. The chaniya choli is full of embroidery and mirror work. They wear attractive jewelry such as bangles and bracelets, anklets and armlets, etc. Men wear kurta pajama and tie an odhni round the waist. Everyone moves in a circle. The dancers dance with different actions. હવે પેરેગ્રાફ 2 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 2 ક્વેશ્ચન 1 What do the women wear? Answer The women wear chaniya choli. Question 2 What do the men wear? Answer The men wear kurta pajama and tie an odhni round the waist. Question 3 Which word in the passage means eye-catching? Option A attire. Option B different. Option C traditional. Option D attractive. Answer Option D attractive. Question 4 The dancers dance with different blanks. Option A dresses. Option B actions. Option C groups. Option D moves. Answer Option B actions. Paragraph 3 read કરીશું. Kavita said, How are you? Are you okay now or still suffering from severe cold? Ketki said, I am going for shopping with my mother. Do you want anything from the market? I will buy a set of chaniya choli for me. Navratri is round the corner, so I am preparing myself for it. Usually, we start the preparation a week in advance. પેરેગ્રાફ 3 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. Where is Ketki going? Why? Answer. Ketki is going to market for shopping. Question 2. What is Ketki preparing for? Answer. Ketki is preparing for Navratri. Question 3. Navratri preparation start blanks in advance. Option A 45 days. Option B 30 days. Option C 15 days. Option D 7 days. Answer option D 7 days. Question 4. Ketki will buy blanks. Option A jewelry. Option B clothes. Option C chaniya choli. Option D shoes. Answer option C chaniya choli. Question 5. Round the corner means blanks. Option A at the corner. Option B very near. Option C very far. Option D at the circle. Answer option B very near. પેરેગ્રાફ 4 રીડ કરીશું. The dance takes place in an open ground. People decorate and illuminate the ground with tiny bulbs. The atmosphere is like a fair. The dancers form a circle in the open ground and dance to the tune of a Garba song with music. The music is very energetic. In some places, the number of dancers is very large. So, the chorus sings Garba songs from the loudspeakers. It is a tradition to sing Garba songs because a Garba song worships and admires Ambama and other goddesses. Nowadays, the Garba song presents some social themes too. હવે પેરેગ્રાફ 4 પરથી ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સરનો અભ્યાસ કરીશું. પેરેગ્રાફ 4 ક્વેશ્ચન 1. Where does the dance take place? Answer. The dance takes place in an open ground. Question 2. What do the dancers do? Answer. The dancers form a circle in the open ground and dance to the tune of a Garba song with music. Question 3. What happens when the number of dancers is very large? Answer. When the number of dancers is very large, the chorus sings Garba song from loudspeakers. Question 4. How do the people prepare the dance ground? Answer. The people decorate and illuminate the ground with tiny bulbs. Question 5. Chorus means blanks. Option A, a group of singers. Option B, a group of dancers. Option C, a group of students. Option D, a group of people. Answer option A, a group of singers. Question 6. A Garba song worships blanks. Option A, Amba. ઓપ્શન બી કૃષ્ણા, ઓપ્શન સી શિવ, ઓપ્શન ડી ઓલ ગોડ્સ. આન્સર ઓપ્શન એ અંબા. Question 7. Nowadays, the Garba song presents blanks. Option A. Cultural themes. Option B. Social themes. Option C. Educative themes. Option D. Movie themes. Answer option B. Social themes. Thank you.